I looked at two companies, but I was impressed with the way that GBC Bath and Kitchen immediately got in touch with me. And not only that, they got back in touch with me, but they had the drawings, they had suggested materials, they told us where they were located at. And the other company, thank goodness, I don't remember the name, they came to the house and made a lot of suggestions, and we waited a month for their drawings, and I had to reach out to the company. And the only thing we received, like, okay, I'll get something back to you. We received an estimate, but that estimate was with no picking or selecting materials. And so that didn't feel good for us, because I feel like if I had to chase somebody to get a quote, I don't need to spend my money with them. Hi, my name is Alice Ford, and me and my family moved into this home. And for us, it was just a home, and we wanted to feel comfortable in this place. So I found this advertisement in the mail for GBC Kitchen and Bath, and I called, and immediately I had Pratt to call me, and we made an appointment. She came with designs and ideas. She took her time. She was able to put our feelings and desires down on paper. Every step of the way, it was communications. It was letting us know what needed to be changed, needed to be updated, and also everything that was suggested to us was in our budget. And that was really, really important to us, because there had been a lot of changes in our family life. And then with buying a new home. So they did the demolition. They brought this wonderful team out, and I got an opportunity to meet Sal, who gave us his telephone number immediately. He probably regret it, but we used that number a lot of times. But again, every step of the way, they made suggestions, what would be good. And I was really happy with the team that did the demolition, because they found space that we didn't even know was available. And with the space, it gave us more options on what to do, more changes. I also want to add that at the beginning, the project was really only for the kitchen, and that was going to be for everybody. And then it was my bathroom, making an office out of an ensuite. And after the girls met Pratt, they started wondering, could they get their bathroom done? Could they add some things? And, it got out of hands with my girls, but they trust us so much. They knew they could get a good job. They enjoyed the interactions that we had at their office, GBC office. And they watched how Pratt had worked with me to select, the countertops, the cabinets. And so they asked me, do you think we could do this one? So it went from doing one project on the first floor, then we went upstairs to the grandbaby's bathroom to keep the little ones from fighting to get their double vanity. And then went to their parents' bathroom, and my other daughter's bathroom, then the powder room, and then we went down in the basement and also did some work. And I'm really happy that they are getting what they want, because I want the whole family to feel comfortable. And knowing that they felt comfortable enough for me to stay with the company, that was great. Because, it could have been the other way around. It could have been one of those things that they said, I don't like what's going on, so let's get another company. They wanted to stick with this company. So I'm happy. I didn't think I would be able to get a shower and a bathtub, and I have all of that now. I have my own bathtub. I don't have to share with the family. We did 4.5 bathrooms. Each one of them with the help of designing and with the help of Sal, we were able to make each bathroom look unique and reflect the girls who are using the area. My son-in-law and my daughter loved their new bathroom upstairs. You know, all in all, I have to say, we went from moving into a house, and with my renovations, now we feel like it's a home. It feels like it's ours. They took the time to work with me. I have to say, even with your Pratt, who got married and went out of the country, she was still available, and I could still text her. I feel bad about doing that. But, you know, I never felt that we didn't have someone who could come to us, who would answer our questions. And, you know, Sal lived close to us, and, you know, there were times after duty hours, there he was, you know, going, even if he was going to another site, he would come by here first. The crew was really, really nice. I love the fact that they respected my home, because, you know, it's so easy for someone to come in and not respect it. Nothing was damaged. They always took care. They laid things down and touching things. And I'm one of those who can say, oh no, keep your shoes on. You know, it doesn't bother me. But every time they entered the home, there was always plenty of respect. And I just, you know, I will forever love them. I wish I had more money so we can do more stuff. I mean, the house doesn't need it, but just to keep them around. I would definitely recommend the company to my neighbors and my friends, anybody in this neighborhood, anyone out of the neighborhood, people in my church, because believe me, some are already coming and looking at the home, and they were looking at it before it was finished. And I gave them the name of the company. They want to know, how did I find them? I have another friend who doing renovations, and they were really, really impressed with what's going on. So we were able to compare, you know, what's going on. I mean, I wouldn't hesitate recommending this company to anybody.